And when those are paralyzed, the crud, even the normal crud, that they're there because there's normal crud, folks, and they just get rid of it and you cough once or twice and you're just fine. Well, when those are paralyzed and you got another infection, it's causing exudate and goo and crud in your respiratory tract, and you can't get rid of it, and your pneumonia goes from pretty okay to a little bit worse and a little bit worse, and all of a sudden you can't breathe. That's a good reason to get your cilia working. And that's even a better reason never to have them stop working in the first place. And that's why Bordetella is one of Dr. B's core fives.